Greetings, friends. This is Vincent from Golden Key Realty, yet again showcasing you another villa project, a marvelous villa project here in Whitefield. The area is basically Varthur, bright and sunny day for us to cover another project. I will be taking you inside this 4-bedroom villas. All these villas are 4 bedrooms. You can see the expanse. Obviously, it has all the approvals in place and the works. So this is your 2-car park. We go inside the villa right now. It is a very unique concept is what they have created. As we enter into the villa, you're greeted with a lot of greens. This is how the expanse is laid out. I'll tell you exactly as to what places for what. This thing that you see right here, you have an option of keeping it as open because they provided those translucent coverings which keeps it well ventilated, or you can have a provision for a lift as well. So people who would like to have a lift can do that. This becomes your living area. They've kept this place also for you to do your gardening, your plants within the house itself, which is a very beautiful and novel concept. Each villa has a huge backyard as well. We progress towards the backyard right here. A seating area along with a green patch, and that is the boundary of the other villa that you see right there. Okay, we go inside again. So just soak in the kind of space that this villa has. All these villas are 4 bedrooms, roughly a super built up area of 4,800, 4,400 depending on the size, but they're all 4 bedrooms with all approvals in place. This becomes your dining area. That's obviously a common washroom. Your kitchen, marvelously made. The interiors are absolutely up to mark. Your wet and dry area clearly demarcated for ease of functioning. Okay, like I said, when you have space, you can have a lot of ideas to know what you can do with it. The first thing is you need to have space. So the location is very, very prime. It is in Whitefield, Varthur. And we enter into the first bedroom on ground level. All the bedrooms are provided by wooden floors, as you can see. And that becomes your wash area attached. This has the access to your garden space as well, which I showcased you from the living area. We go in, we take the steps for level 1. And as we reach level 1, we are greeted by another living space right here on level 1. So obviously the interiors will give you the complete feeling of how much space you have, the place to fool around for your interiors and to decorate it as per your liking. So this becomes your second bedroom. Just look at the size, absolutely humongous. Closet space, that's obviously your washroom area with a shower cubicle, and this is how your bedroom looks like. So all bedrooms are as big as master bedrooms, so there won't be any constraint of space. This becomes your terrace. You have the access of the terrace from that sitting area as well. This is how the community looks like. Obviously the work is in full swing. We have options available and we have a very knowledgeable and an insightful sales team to assist you. So this place has been given for your elevator shaft in case you'd like to have an elevator installed in your home, and that's kept open to sky right there, so you have enough natural light during the day. This is your bedroom on this level. So we've covered 3 bedrooms. We go up right on level 2. You get a huge expanse of living space on this level as well. You can make it into a completely private lounge area a theater zone, a mini office kind of a thing, whatever suits your requirement, and this becomes your fourth bedroom along with the attached washroom. So all the bedrooms are primary bedrooms, right? Any bedroom can be made into a primary bedroom. You have access to the terrace from this particular floor. Let me just open it for you. Here we go. So this is how your G+2 4-bedroom is going to look like. Okay. Space is not a luxury if you buy a villa of your choice in this particular project. Do ping me on the channel. I'll send in the details across to you, and that is how the entire construction is going on. Okay, so developer has done projects in the past. They've had a good track record, and what you see is what you get with this developer. Obviously, in this particular house, the interiors are there for you to understand, but the space remains the same. So we go down now. So if you're looking for a villa in Whitefield area, you can definitely give this option a look out. I'll be glad to assist you with the details, and we'll showcase the project to you as well. Whitefield being the center of all activity, whether it's tech or schools or hospitals or office spaces, it remains a hotbed for real estate activity in the Bangalore city. And this is how we step out. I'll just give you a parting shot of how it looks like from the outside once again. And this is how the entire villa looks like. So you've got a lot of options to do. Thank you for tuning in. Do subscribe to my channel. We'll continue bringing in projects and properties as much as possible.